Welcome back. Today we're going to put brakes on our E60.
Unit 42.
Tools for the job: hammer, wire brush, 1/2 inch ratchet, 3/8 drive ratchet, 3/8 drive 10mm socket and short extension, 1/2 inch breaker bar and 18mm socket, flathead screwdriver, 1/2 inch extension bar, 18 spanner, 17mm socket, 6mm Allen key, 7mm Allen key. You see that? Yeah. I'm sure if you're watching these types of videos, I don't need to explain how to take off the weight. You know, probably shouldn't need to. You probably already know. Right, we're going to take off the spring first. This big spring clip. Use the caliper tape like that. It'll be a bit springy. Hence the name. Brake pad wear indicator. Well, just wiggle out. 2 7mm Allen keys holding the caliper on. Don't drop your Allen key. Already replaced the brake pads in this car and I got it. The Bmw pads, they're still look new, so I won't be changing them. If anybody is wondering why I don't. Okay, now you need to push your piston back in there. I can hopefully just, if I get enough pulling that, it'll push it back far enough, which it is. You see that moving back? So that would be enough for me today. If you're doing it at home, your brake pads would be wore down more than mine. You have to push that back with a special tool or a G clamp. But I didn't need to do that. That's probably enough for me. You see my brake pads still like brand new. So, need to take off the brake caliper carrier. Let me get the disc off. Angle that. Sometimes these can be seized, so be careful. That's not too bad. Shouldn't be too bad. Somebody's been at this car before I got it. Yes, feels okay. Should loosen alright from it. I'm just too lazy to go for an extension bar. Use the bottom one then completely out. Keep the top in a few threads. Right, back to your top one. Remove that. That's gonna be the hardest part of the whole job. To get this small screw. It's gonna be rusted. See, should be a 6mm Allen key. Tap it in with the hammer first. Sure it's in. onto the disc. Oh yes, well, this is going smoother than I thought. That's great. And you just should be free from the hub. Like that. Yeah, and visually I don't see anything wrong with it, but there's something wrong in here. You see this rust? That wouldn't have, that needs to be a smooth surface. You get out your wire brush and clean that very well. If you're in here, these also can break around these bolts here. So just check that's all tight. It doesn't need any repairs. It's easy done now. Yeah, these are M-type brakes, the company I found on eBay. So it's sort of cheap, and was also an upgrade. We have, these are, now this is an awful amount of bubble wrap. So what first metal was going to take. Okay, fine. You see they're drilled and grooved. Storage, it looks pretty awesome. And then it helps with our braking. These lines and dimples will disperse heat faster, so we can brake a bit faster, and just a basic upgrade for the car. And they're a very affordable price. We'll keep the link in the description. Now we'll get these cleaned up. Always clean the grease off, and then put them on. Yeah, give them a good clean, get all that off. Just double check before you put them on. You've got the right one. Yep, seems to be. Good start. Some of that out of your rope. Just try and give it a wee spin. You know, just like that there, back and forth. Just have loosen off any, scrape off any dirt that might get trapped. You want in there as clean as possible. Get your bolt back in. Does not look great. The brake pad slide, a bit of clean, put the rough off, make the slide easier. Okay, then you put the holder back on. Really simple, really, if you think about it. It's not a hard task. Anybody can do it at home with basic tools, really. The torque setting flat, whatever your vein is about to pop out. Now, we're using the old pads, but the same procedure still applies. This is red rubber grease. It's great for using brake pads. People use copper grease. I feel this is better. It lasts longer and it protects your piston rubber, your slide rubbers. It's great water resistant. So if you're not using that, you're sleeping. I like to put a wee bit. You don't have to, but around the edge there, it's where water and dirt off the road can slip up in and create rust. It's just what I like to do. And you get your pad, clip back in, like so. You got that. Just grease your contact points. Like so. And a wee bit on the face just to prevent squealing. Slip back on for me. Yep, I think so. Just tighten up your caliper post again. So, put your two caps on. Keep water out. Reinstall your indicator wire, brake pad wire. Slip back into your pad, like so. Now, your spring clip, a wee bit awkward. So, like paint this area silver. Just keeps the rust off, keeps it looking nice for a bit longer. Just more of an overspray on your desk, that'll burn off in 2 seconds. So you don't have to do this some I like to do. Just has it looking nicer for a wee while longer. Yeah, there you have it. Break this change. It was very simple, didn't take long. Now we're going to go off camera, finish the far side, then we'll take us for a spin and see to the cure our problem. Okay, we just went for a quick spirited drive just to get everything bedded in and get everything paint cleaned off. Now we're going to boot her down and see is our problem cured. Is your steering wheel shaking very bad. Now we're going to see if we fix more. Drop her a gear, give it the thunder. Now we're going to stand on the brakes. Oh, smooth as you like. Look at that. Nothing. That's it. It's fixed. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.